Hello everybody, this is Steve, AAA Truck Sales in Monroe, Georgia. You're looking at our stock number LY5957. It's a 2020 Freightliner Cascadia Condo, obviously blue. First thing I say about this truck is that number one, it's gorgeous, and second, I'm finally glad we got this on the lot. Our boss has been promising us to have these on there. We've got several of these in stock. It's been through a 128 point inspection. It's got a fresh DOT on it. Moving back here, you see the super singles. I know some of you guys don't like those. We can swap them out with 8 new tires. Just give us a call. We'll walk you through it. It's got 455 horsepower. This is automatic. It's a DD12 transmission. The best part though, looking. We'll go inside here. Just gorgeous inside. Leather seats, there's no tears. The condo is huge. It's our average apartment in New York City. Like I said, this is the first one we're rolling out on the lot. We've got some more. If you look back there, they're coming. It's not going to stay here for long, so come on down, test drive it, and we'll get you rolling.